All right, so I just put this wiring harness on for the 2002 Honda Trx400. I replaced the rectifier, the coil, the CDI, and the starter relay, and obviously the whole wiring harness was new. And then the spark plug's new too. But yeah, so it's got good spark. The lights work front and rear. The battery's dead right now, so it's got to charge. Yeah, I put the carburetor in, adjust the clearances, new valve cover gasket. So the next thing to do is just put it together, then put the new plug in, and then change the oil, stuff like that, new gas. And the old wiring harness was actually burnt up. And it's got a new key ignition. Yeah, where is it? Let's see. So here's where it got burnt. As you can see, that's pretty bad. As you can see, the headlights got power. This other one didn't have a bulb in it. So, yeah, then the next thing is the tail light back here. That's got power. And then I'll just kind of turn it over to show you. Yep, so the only reason I got the cables on it is because the battery's dead. And I'm not sure if it holds a charge or not, so I'm gonna have to check that out. But yeah, the next step is to reassemble it, and yeah.